That time now, it is 8:30 in the morning time on this Friday morning, April 25th, 2014 on a Friday morning. Time now for the Water Magician PJ Wiggins, the Morning Report. Friday morning, April 25th, 2014. Good morning, you all, this lovely Friday morning along. Our current conditions at 8:30 a.m. in North Massachusetts, we got a temperature of...
Savannah's been taking time off. She's back Monday at Denver. Carson Daly and Al Roker as well. Huge crowd here. Lots of people here to see.
50 degrees with clear skies. Humidity of 41%. Wind speed. Northwest about 7 miles per hour. Dew point about 27 inches and a visibility of 10 miles. Okay, let's take a look at our radar scope. Shows a couple of inches of snow showers in the eastern portions of Quebec, eastern portions of New Brunswick, rain, sleet, and snow showers in the eastern portions of Nova Scotia. Rain showers with some sleet in the western portions of Prince Edward Island. Rain showers in the southeastern portions of British Edward Island. And a couple of other inches of rain. Snow showers in southwestern portions of Quebec. Sleet and rain showers from southern Quebec, southwestern Quebec, down for Ontario, down for northeastern portions of Minnesota, down for northwestern Wisconsin, up into the southeastern portions of Manitoba. And a lot of rain showers from south central Ontario, stretching down for Michigan, eastern Indiana, down for Ohio, down for eastern Kentucky, western Virginia, western Carolinas, and eastern Tennessee. Here, a couple of inches of rain showers and thunderstorms off the Carolina, off the southeastern North Carolina coastline, and rain showers off the southeastern Carolina coastline. Here, and showers and thunderstorms associated off the Georgia and off the eastern Florida coastline. Rain showers off the Louisiana coastline. Here, rain showers in the northeastern portions of Nebraska. Rain showers in the northwestern portions of Iowa. Rain showers in the southwestern portions of Minnesota. Rain showers in the northeastern portions of South Dakota. Rain showers in north central California around San Francisco and down for Sacramento, and some sleet and snow showers in the Sierras in California and up in the northern California down for southwestern portions of Oregon. Rain showers in the southwestern and northwestern portions of Oregon and then up to western Washington.
Rain showers in the morning.
Sleet and snow showers off the
Here tomorrow afternoon. It still won't be all that great though.
Olympics of Washington State. Snow, sleet, and rain showers in the southeastern portions of Washington State, down for eastern Oregon, and down for southern Idaho, down for northern Utah, down for northeastern portions of Nevada, down for western portions of Wyoming, some snow showers. Snow, sleet, and rain showers in the east central portions of British Columbia, down for Alberta, down for western portions of Saskatchewan, snow showers in central portions of Manitoba. Lurie Center, Indiana. Good morning. 45 degrees with moderate rain here. Alright, let's take a look at our satellite loop here.
Massachusetts. Okay, there you go. Very nice.
It shows a couple of extra clouds from eastern portions of New York State and up into Ontario, stretching down through the central Great Lakes and down for Kentucky and Tennessee and down for western Carolina. As a batch of cloud from coastal South Carolina down to Georgia. Another batch of cloud from Wisconsin and Minnesota down through western Quebec, down Ontario, down for Saskatchewan, Manitoba, Alberta, British Columbia, down a batch of cloud from Northern Maine after the coastal eastern Atlantic Canada. A couple of batch of clouds from Northern Arizona, Mexico, stretching western Colorado, Utah, up into Nevada and California, up into the Pacific Northwest and Montana and Wyoming. Let's take a look at our current map situation here. Cold front from North Central California up into Oregon and Washington. Warm front, stationary front from British Columbia down for Southern Alberta, down for Northeast Montana, down for North Dakota, Minnesota, down for Wisconsin, and cold front from North Central Michigan, down for Southern Ontario, down for State New York, and down for Eastern Quebec, and pink front up into Quebec. And the cold front from southeastern portions of Texas, and down for Louisiana, down for Mississippi, and down for Tennessee, and warm front from Southern Indiana, down for Kentucky, down for Tennessee, down for the Carolinas. And we got low pressure in Quebec, 7 in Illinois, 7 Nevada, and off the Washington coastline. Further by from off the Washington, Nevada, Washington, Oregon. Further by from southeastern Nevada, down for southeastern California. Further by from western Nebraska, down for eastern Colorado, and northeastern New Mexico. And further by from Ohio down to Pennsylvania. Low pressure from Quebec, 7 Illinois, 7 Nevada, and Washington State. And high pressure to southwestern Colorado, northeastern Texas, and up the Carolinas. Okay, we got 45 degrees on Central out. Boston is 50 out of Washington, D.C.
3.2 million.
64 out in Atlanta, 72 in Miami, 74 in Brownsville, 60 in Dallas, Texas, 43 out in Kansas City, 47 in Chicago, 36 in Minneapolis, 48 in Albuquerque, 39 in Denver, 51 in Salt Lake City, 40 in Great Falls, 44 in Seattle, 38 in San Francisco, and 60 in Los Angeles. Okay, let's take a look at our current conditions around the region. We have 45 in Boston, that's 46 in Fitchburg, 42 in Bedford, 47 in Beverly, 41 in Gloucester, 45 in Dartwood, 50 in Taunton, 44 in Bedford, 46 in Falmouth, 45 in Provincetown, 48 in Chatham, 47 in Martha's Vineyard, 48 in Nantucket, 46 out in Cape Cod Bay, 45 in Wesley, 44 in Wesley, 45 in Buckeye, 45 in Smithfield, 39 in Worcester, 38 in Sturbridge, 43 in Webster, 44 in Milford. It's 41 in Garner, 45 in Greenfield, 39 in Amherst, 45 in Springfield, 33 in Pittsfield, 35 in North Adams, 30 in Mainton, 42 in Albany, 40 in Brattleboro, 36 in Keene, 43 out in Chaffey, New Hampshire, and Manchester, New Hampshire, 46 in Nashville, New Hampshire, 45 in Concord, New Hampshire, 50 in Portsmouth, 41 in New Hampshire Bay, 46 in Woods Locks, 41 in Northford, 48 in Meriden, 45 in Waterbury and Danbury, 42 in New Haven, 48 in Bridgeport, in Islip, 51 in New York City, and 47 in Montauk. Here. Alright, let's take a look at our forecast discussion here in New England there. Nope. Let's take a look at the forecast discussion around the country. There will be a slight risk of some severe thunderstorms on the part of the Southern Mid-Atlantic front extending from the Ohio Valley to the lower Mississippi Valley. 7 planes will be moving eastward off the east coast by late Friday night. The stiff will produce showers and thunderstorms from the lower Mississippi Valley to the Ohio Valley. They will move eastward to the Mid-Atlantic coast by Friday evening and off the coast later Friday night. Light to moderate rain will develop over parts of the Great Lakes that will likely move eastward to the northern Mid-Atlantic Ball. Intensified and moderate heavy rain by Friday evening. The rain will be moving in New England by Saturday. Remain over there for Saturday evening. In addition, light snow will develop over parts of the upper Great Lakes by Saturday morning. Another front over the northward Rockies, Central California will slowly move eastward to the Central Southern Rockies by Saturday evening. That system will produce higher elevation snow and lower elevation rain from the northern Rockies to the parts of the northwest Central California, with rain expanded into the parts of the northern high plains and the Great Basin of the Friday evening. The precipitation will end over California by Saturday afternoon. Additionally, the higher elevation snow and lower elevation rain will move into parts of the Central Southern Rockies by Saturday evening. Showers and thunderstorms will also develop over the parts of the northern plains on Saturday evening too. As the system moves out to the Rockies, moisture from the Gulf of Mexico will move northward over the Central Southern Plains, and the development of some showers and thunderstorms on the Southern Plains in the middle of Mississippi Valley Saturday evening. By Saturday evening, the northern portion of Piston Northwest, bringing more rain and higher elevation snows to the region here. Let's take a look at our forecast discussion in New England. A high pressure will move east of New England this afternoon. Low pressure then brings rain later tonight and the Saturday, followed by a dry trend Sunday and continuing into early next week, along with a seasonal temperatures as high pressure returns to the area. Near term until 6 p.m. this evening. 7 a.m. update made by updates to temperatures to bring in line with current trends. Otherwise, the forecast is on track. High pressure in control will bring sunshine and light winds, although some mid-high level clouds will be moving across the region. Indicated big clear will get up to 8 to 50 millibar, where temps will be 2 Celsius, 18 degrees. This supports maximum to the low to mid-60s away from the coast. Light winds will be yielded cool and sea breezes along the coast, where temperatures will be holding the 50s here. And high temperatures today. High pressure will bring some sunshine and seasonally mild temperatures. Today to the region of low to mid 60s, and coastal sea breezes will develop this after to keep temperatures in the 50s. So 50s in the coastal region, for 50 for Provincetown, 60 for Boston, 58 for Portsmouth, 61 for Manchester, 66 for Concord, New Hampshire, 62 in Keene, New Hampshire, 63 in Springfield, Vermont, it's 67 in Brattleboro, 65 in Manchester. We see 61 for Pittsfield, 64 for Springfield, 61 for Worcester and Providence, 62 in Fitchburg, 64 in Greenfield, and it's 62 for Hartford and 57 in New England. So there'll be 50s for much of the coastal sections, while 60s for inland section. Low pressure track in South New England will bring rain late tonight and deciding along some cool temperatures. Rainfall from Saturday will average around a half inch with local higher amounts. And higher amounts will be around the central Berkshires County, west of Springfield, and northwestern Connecticut there. Alright, let us take a look at our let's take a look outside our house here. And it shows a beautiful morning on tap. And the waves on the reservoir are moving swiftly. The waves are moving fine. Okay, let's take a look at our 7-day forecast.
National health crisis.
It goes like
vaccination program, we were seeing 500,000 cases a year.
this
Vaccination was
for today.
60 cases a year. Now in the first
Mostly sunny skies with either 63 degrees. Northwest with about 5 to 7 miles per hour, become a lighter variable. For tonight,
58 cases. New York.
a chance to rain mainly after 3 a.m. Increase skies with a low near 42 degrees. South with about 3 to 6 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 30%.
13.
New precipitation by less than a 10 inch possible. Saturday, rain available for 1 p.m. high to 47 degrees east with about 8 miles per hour. North of the afternoon, chance of precipitation is 8%.
California,
New precipitation by between a quarter and half an inch possible. Sunday night, chance of showers. Clouds got low 3 degrees. Northwest with
come to these places.
to northeast with about 6 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 40%. New precipitation by between a quarter and half an inch possible. Sunday, slight chance of showers before 3 p.m. Most clouds got higher 53 degrees. North with about 9 to 11 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 20%.
25 of those.
Sunday night, most skies got low 40 degrees. Monday, most skies got 56 degrees. Monday night, most skies got low 41 degrees. Tuesday, most skies got 51 degrees. Tuesday night, most skies got low 39 degrees. Wednesday, most skies got 52 degrees. Wednesday night, chance of showers, most skies got low 40 degrees.
Young parents today haven't seen these diseases.
Chance of precipitation is 30%. Thursday, chance of showers, most skies got 55 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 40%. Peters, what a phrase of the day. Sunny enough. Fantastic fine and tap.
Resurgence of disease.
Just appreciate what's been for a good day with a good positive attitude here.
People taking the vaccines that they should be getting.